Open your feet nice and big. Yes. Hands on your belt. Middle punch. Ready? 1. Excellent. 2. 1. 2. Say taekwondo. 2 punches. Ready? Go. Take. I can't hear you. Ready? Go. Much better. Ready? Go. 3 punches. Say taekwondo. Ready? 1. Take. 1. Other hand on your belt. Ready? Go. Take. One more time. Ready? Go. This time, face block. Everybody together. Face block. Ready? 1. Bend your knees. Ready? 2. Ready? 1. 2. Now inside block. Ready? Behind your ear. 1. Other hand on your belt. Ready? 2. You got it. Ready? 1. 2. This time down block. Across your face. Ready? 1. Great job. 2. 1. 2. This time, how about tiger mouth? Who knows tiger mouth? Raise your hand. Everybody? Okay, bend your knees. Together. Hit the neck. Ready? 1. Other hand on your belt. Ready? 2. Excellent. 3. 4. Now spear finger. Hit the belly. Ready? 1. Other hand on your belt. Ready? 2. Yes. 3. 4. How about neck attack? Ready? 1. 2. 1. 2. Last one, palm strike. Hit the chin this time. Ready? 1. Good. 2. Yelling louder. 1.